Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how we can format your SD card. So to get started, open up Settings. From here you're looking for Storage, right over here. Select your SD card. Tap on it 3 dots right here, and then select Storage Settings, where you'll see Format option. Click on it. It gives you an option of what you can format it to, which is surprising. So we have exFAT or FAT32 suggestion. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. Do I need to press it? Yep. So you just confirm whatever is selected by tapping on it, and gives you a quick message that formatting will remove everything from it. And all you need to do is just confirm it once more by selecting Format SD card. This will begin formatting it, which only takes a couple seconds, and should be right about done any moment. There we go. So click on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.